You were pretty brave when we brought those people in here.
That's because I know Mom can fix him.
Catch you later, Duck.
Bye, Lee.
Eat some fucking crayons, Duck. Oh, yeah, what a bitch.
Sleeping any better?
No. I know we should be grateful for beds, but no, I'm not.
Drugstore?
Yeah.
Well,
Lily has me handing out the food.
Ugh, that can't be an easy job.
It's not. I won't be able to feed everyone. What should I do?
Well, if you wanted to get in good with Lily, I'd make sure Larry gets some food, even though that guy can be a real dick sometimes. On the other hand, giving that food to Kenny and his family might make him remember you, if he decides to take off in that RV one day.
Obvious foreshadowing is
We
obvious.
all need food. I can't tell you what to do, but whatever happens, I know you'll be trying to do the right thing.
Thanks, Carly.
Man, what the fuck?
Want something to eat?
Give half an apple.
Have an apple, Carly.
God, I used to eat an apple every morning with some granola and 6 almonds, and that wasn't enough even then. But you know what? Yes.
If that wasn't the most ungrateful thank you I've ever heard. The nerve. What up?
Word's getting out that you want to leave the motor in.
That ain't no secret, Lee. It's probably our best bet.
Got room for me and Clem in there?
Listen, I gotta look out for my family. I gotta know that whoever I take with me is gonna be looking out for Cat and Duck.
Wait, I know that...
Lee, you left Duck in danger twice.
He's a shithead!
Well, the RV ain't even working yet, so there's no point in talking about it right now.
The coast does sound like a smart idea. Maybe that is the best thing.
I know that it is. I'm taking my family.
Alright, well, you just keep playing with your pipe and take that however you will. So, goddamn, it's too bad I'm not live streaming this. Who should we give food? I already gave it to that vagina. Wouldn't mind banging Lily. That'd be kind of nice. This guy, maybe it'll improve his accuracy. Give some crackers.
Thanks, Lee.
You, I want to bang the shit out of your daughter.
Here, Larry.
You get crackers and cheese as
We
well.
would want you to keep your strength up.
I should shove this up your ass, but I'm too hungry.
Okay. Not sure what to think about that.
Some of these people have gone longer than me without food. They're the ones that need it.
Okay, so what? Well, do I want to kill the kids? I mean, I kind of think that I do. Definitely not feeding that piece of dog shit Duck. Oh, man. Is she my moral responsibility? I don't know. Ooh. What up, bitch?
We should talk about you and Kenny.
What about us?
The arguing. It's getting pretty out of hand. You know people notice that.
Look, I'm working my ass off to make sure we have a good setup here, and Kenny just doesn't appreciate that.
Yeah,
All we need is food.
But there is no food. You know that better than anyone.
Well, we'll just
So
have to
clean
find
the
out.
sand out of your vagina already.
Maybe we should think about leaving the motel.
God, not you too. I know Kenny wants to leave. I think that's why he's so eager to get the RV working.
Yeah, that would
But
make
this
sense.
is a good spot. We're protected, we're close to the drugstore, we have a routine now, and it's working.
For now.
Dun dun dun. Sorry, kids.
I don't want anything from you.
Oh my god!
Take it anyway. You need to eat.
This doesn't change anything.
Damn
Well,
it.
that's it.
Not such an easy job, is it?
I hope I get to eat next time.
I don't envy you. I don't know how you have the strength to do this every day.
I don't have a choice.
What exactly is your problem?
Excuse me?
You had the food in your hands, and you didn't offer any of it to me or the kids. What kind of man are you?
One who realizes the
This is
kids are
exactly why I
lead
don't
weights
want you
around
in the
our
RV.
ankles.
Ken, Lee, come here, please.
Okay.
He didn't make it, did he?
He lost too much blood.
Oh god.
God damn it. I'm getting sick of this shit.
People dying,
come back.
pipes
There's
dropping.
nothing-
I'm sick of this shit too!
You don't think I am? I don't know. Maybe it's for the best. We're already struggling to feed our own kids. That man you brought, I tried, but he was never going to survive.
Well, at least he's not our problem anymore.
Good point.
What about the other kid?
Fuck him. We could eat him. Ah! Oh, hey. Wait, I kind of want to see him eat her. One less mouth to feed. Oh, wait a minute! Come on! That is some horse shit. That is some horse shit. Oh, X. No! Oh, wait, what am I supposed to be doing here? Oh yeah! Ah! Oh my god! This guy is... Oh. Kick him! Kick his ass! Kick the shit out of him! Poke him in the eyes! There we go. Give him another boot. Yep. Give me one more for good measure. Use the stick to get away. Use the left stick to get away. Oh. What the fuck? I thought it said use the stick. I was looking for a stick. There was no stick. It meant to use the left stick. There we go. Swing and a miss. Swing and a miss. Yep. Give him a to the boot. That is gonna ruin his day. And eat you on this. Use the left stick. Okay. I'm backing up. I'm backing up. Threw myself out of the van. Shoot him!
You okay?
Yeah, thanks.
Woo!
Why'd you